Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your browsing history on Chrome Mobile to maintain privacy and clear your search records, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Chrome app on your Android or iOS mobile device. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner or bottom right on iOS to open the browser menu. Step 3. Select History from the drop-down menu to view your browsing history. Step 4. At the top of the history page, tap Clear Browsing Data to access the deletion options. Step 5. Choose the time range for which you want to delete history. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Step 6. Ensure browsing history is checked and select any other data types you want to clear, such as cookies or cached images. Step 7. Tap Clear Data or Clear Browsing Data at the bottom of the screen to proceed with deletion. Step 8. Confirm the action when prompted to permanently delete your Chrome mobile browsing history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.